Okay, hey y'all, it's your girl Spicy and Chocolate. I'm back at it with another video review, and this is a video of showing Kodak shooting a shot at Brittany. I think, yep. Let's see.
Stuff. You wanna hit the black too?
No, I like to drink. I don't smoke.
What you drink?
Tequila.
My
Look how he looking at her.
name Yak, so you gotta drink cognac.
No. I like to drink what I like to drink. And you can
But you
give me
gonna
what I like
drink
to
me?
drink.
You gonna drink me? So you drinking
You
Yak
want me
anyway?
to
He nasty.
drink you.
You gonna be drinking Yak anyway?
You want me to drink you.
I drink you.
He said, I just give. He is funny.
I know you drink me, but I don't drink yet. Anyway,
They funny. He just made a cat sound.
Brittany Renner, Kodak Black. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
No,
Fucking
thank
thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Stuff.
Look,
You wanna hit the
look.
black?
Look how he was looking at her. They funny. They was like, I think she like Kodak for real. Like, ain't no doubt that she don't like him.
Thank
You.
you. Thank you.
Stuff. You wanna hit the black?
She said, "Thank you." They lips are talking all closed. It's funny. He cracks me up. Girl, that cracks me up though. But all right, y'all, I'll be back at it with another video. Bye.